sum of geometric sequence. Next is if r equals 1. Kung yung ratio natin ay equals sa 1. We have S sub n equals n times a sub 1. So, yun yung formula na gagamitin natin na kapag yung ratio natin ay equal sa 1. And then, if r equals negative 1. Kapag ang ratio natin ay negative 1. Okay, meron tayong dalawang condition. If n is even. When we say n, yun yung number of terms na isasum natin. If it's even, then we have S sub n equals 0. Kapag even yung number of terms na isasum, 0 ang sagot. If n is odd, kapag ang n natin is odd numbers, or number of terms is odd, it becomes S sub n equals a sub 1. Kung ano yung first term, yun yung answer natin. Find the sum of geometric sequence if r equals 1. Then we have the formula S sub n equals n times a sub 1. Ita-times lang natin yung number of terms at saka yung first term kapag ang ratio natin is 1. Example, what is the sum of the first 6 terms of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? Okay, ang ratio natin dito is 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. Or 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Okay, so ang ratio natin dito sa sequence na to is 1. I-try natin na i-add muna yung first 6 terms. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Answer is 18. Kung gagamitan natin siya ng formula, which is S sub n equals n times a sub 1, it becomes S sub 6 because the sum of the 6 terms, okay, equals n, the number of terms, n is 6, and a sub 1 is 3. So therefore, S sub 6 equals 18. Okay, again, the sum of the first 6 terms of the sequence is 18. So next, let's proceed. We have the sum or sum of geometric sequence if r equals negative 1. So, meron tayong dalawang condition. The first condition, if n is even, then we have S sub n equals 0. If n is odd numbers, or if the number of terms is odd, then we have S sub n equals a sub 1. Okay, which is yun yung first term. So, recall lang natin, odd numbers. Ano ba yung mga odd numbers na yon? Okay, so we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. So, yun yung mga odd numbers. Okay, well, even numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. So, yun yung mga even numbers. Okay, since alam mo na kung ano yung odd numbers at kung ano ang even numbers, okay, let's try this example. What is the sum of the first 7 terms of 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3? So, ang r natin dito is negative 1 because negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. Okay, in this example, again, what is the sum of the first 7 terms of 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3? Okay, first identify natin kung ano ang ratio, which is ang ratio natin is negative 1 because negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. And then, number of terms. Number of terms natin is 7, which is, ang hinahanap natin dito is sum of the first 7 terms. So, 7 is odd numbers. So, therefore, ang gagamitin natin is if n is odd, then we have S sub n equals a sub 1. A sub 1 is the first term. Okay, kung ano yung first term, yun yung sagot. Okay, so we have S sub 7 equals, the first term is 3. Okay, check natin. I-add natin lahat, yung 6 terms, yung 7 terms na yon. We have 3 plus negative 3 is 0. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. Then 3 plus negative 3 is 0. Then we have 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals 3. Okay, next, number 2 example. What is the sum of the first 8 terms of 3, negative 3? Okay, number 2 example. What is the sum of the first 8 terms of 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 3? Okay, first, ang common ratio natin is negative 1. Because negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So, ang R is negative 1. And N, or the number of terms, is 8. So, 8 is even numbers. Then, we have, if N is even, then S of N equals 0. Magiging 0 ang sagot natin. Okay? Or S of 8 equals 0. And then, let's check, add natin. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. Then, 3 plus negative 3 is 0. 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. Then 3 plus negative 3 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore, we have the sum of the first 8 terms of the sequence is 0. Okay, next, let's have an activity number 2. What is the sum of the first 15 terms of the geometric sequence negative 4, 4, negative 4, 4, negative 4? Next, number 2, find the sum of the first 24 terms of the geometric sequence 5, negative 5, 5, negative 5, 5.
Okay, so that's all for now and thank you for watching.